Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to twist your OBS studio settings to get that free lag capturing. Open your OBS studio, go to settings, go to output mode. On default, this output mode will be on simple, just change it to advanced. My own is already changed to advanced. After changing it to advanced, you still stream recording audio and libre distinct buffer. Go to this recording, change this thing to standard, not custom distance. Change it to standard. After it, go to this recording format, change this recording format to this hybrid MP4. After it, change this your video decoder to X264. But if you have what they call quick sync on your video encoder, just change it to that. But I don't have it, just put it on X264. After it, go to this your rate control, change this your rate control to CRF. Remember, CRF. After it, the formula of the CRS, change it to 20, leave it on this 20. After it, let's move to the next step. Go to video, change this your base camera resolution, put it on the normal screen of your laptop or PC. Put it on the normal screen. By the way, my own is 1920 by 1080 is the normal distance of a laptop. So after it, this output scaled resolution, put this output scale resolution to 1280 times 720. 1280 80 times 720. Okay, after it, change this your downscale. Okay, after it, change it to this Bioma, or this thing will make it to be fast. You see, fast distance scale, change it to this one. On the FPS, this common FPS value, change it to 30. Don't put it on 60, change it to 30. It will make your screen record more smoother. Change it to 30. Let's move to the next step. Let's go to advanced. Change this process priority to above normal. Change it to above normal. It will make your OBS studio less lag and run smoother. After doing all this thing, kindly press this apply button and okay. So if you're okay, I have another video that I teach how to optimize your laptop for streaming and gaming at the same time. How to optimize your low-end laptop for streaming and gaming. Go and check it out.